Today I will review the book Zulfi Bhutto, His Life and Times of Pakistan by Stanley Woolpert. Sir Shahnawaz, who never graduated high school, became keenly sensitive about his formal education after moving to Bombay. He got the neighbor like Jawaharlal Nehru, sister, and Aga Khan. They both were intellectually sound people. So Sir Shahnawaz Bhutto always feel that he is intellectually handicapped. So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto father therefore thought to spare no resource to assure that his brightest son should receive the best possible education money could buy. Bhutto got the admission in Berkeley, and one of the political scientist Leo Rose, a classmate of Zulfi at the time, remembered that he dated lot of girls. Zulfi's self-confidence, at least his appearance of assurance and complete command of a situation, whether political, social, or personal, won admiration and support from a remarkable wide spectrum of people around the world. Compared Kashmir to a beautiful woman, and like Zulfi, Nehru had a weakness for women too. Pakistan without Kashmir, Zulfi declared, was a body without a head, and it is a very beautiful head.